Hello my dear viewers, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to count a particular item in Excel sheet. For that purpose I am going to an Excel file. This is Excel file. I am double clicking on it to open the file. Yes, file has been opened. See here in the first column we have used serial number, then student's ID, then student's roll number, student's name, birth date, blood group, house name. See in the last column, that means column number J, we have used here house name, and in this column we have in total 95 house names. Some house is MR house, someone is HR house, someone is MK, MJ, like this. There are in total 4 houses in this column, that means column J. Now we do not like to manually count them. By using function we like to count them instantly. That means how many students hold MR house, how many students hold HR house, how many MK and how many students hold MJ house. In shortcut, how can I do it? If we like to count a particular item in a column, we have to use Countif function. Okay, I am clicking here and I am clicking here to use the function. At first equal, then count if, then first bracket, then range. Range means which data the function will count. The data has started from here, so the first one I am selecting, then I am giving colon sign, and up to the last, that means I am going downwards to select the last cell here. This is the last one. So we have started from J6 and we have ended up to J100. Then I have to use comma, that means range I have set. Then criteria, what they will find in this range. Definitely we are going to find MR house. So in inverted comma we will write MR, then close inverted, then we have to close first bracket. From the keyboard we have to press enter. I am pressing enter. Okay, we have got 21 students who are under MR house. Now in the same way we like to count HR house, MK house, MJ house. Okay, then I am copying this function from the keyboard. I am pressing Ctrl plus C to copy it, then I am pressing escape. I am going to the next one. See here, I am keeping the mouse here, then click here, then from the keyboard I am pressing Ctrl plus V to paste it. Now I will just change the house name HR. Then from the keyboard I am pressing enter. For the next one I am doing the same, Ctrl V from the keyboard, then which on MK, enter from the keyboard, then the last one MJ. I am writing the house name MJ. Then from the keyboard I am pressing enter. See here, we have got the students number who are under MR house and the other students who are under HR house. Some students are under MK house and some are under MJ house. Okay, we are selecting all the students number and giving border, all border. Okay, it looks fine. Then if we like to count the total number of the students, then we just select all the 4 and click here auto sum, say 95. Yes, our total students are actually 95. In this way we can easily count a particular item in Excel sheet. No need to count it manually. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody.